Let's move on to the installation guide. You can easily find the Simple Scheduler add-on by searching for Simple Scheduler Home Assistant in your preferred search engine. This will lead you to two key resources, the introduction post on the Home Assistant forum and the GitHub repository, both created by user Arthur Dent. The forum post includes a straightforward list of instructions for usage and download, which you can refer to if you need additional details or prefer an alternative installation method. While it's possible to download the extension directly by clicking the provided badges, for the purposes of this video, we will proceed with a manual installation. First, log into your Home Assistant profile and navigate to the Settings panel located at the bottom of the sidebar. From there, open the Add-ons tab and access the Add-on Store by clicking the blue button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner of the frame and select Repositories from the drop-down menu. Visit the GitHub repository for Simple Scheduler, then copy the URL and paste it into the text box provided. Finally, click Add to complete the step. If you've done this right, the repository shall appear on the pop-up. If that's the case, you can close it. After refreshing the add-on store and scrolling down, the Simple Scheduler repository should now appear. Click on it to open the Simple Scheduler installation page. From there, simply click Install to begin the process. Be sure not to refresh the page during the installation, as this will cause it to restart. This page also provides a wealth of additional information, including screenshots and examples, some of which will be referenced in the next video. You'll see three toggleable options. The first is the Start on Boot switch, which allows the add-on to start automatically whenever the system boots. The second option is Watchdog, which ensures the add-on restarts automatically in case of a crash. Finally, the Show in Sidebar option adds the Simple Scheduler control panel to Home Assistant sidebar for quick and easy access.